Okay, my name is Hassan Farah, also known as Hassan Panero, and I'm on the Gabay. I'm one of the writers for the Gabay.
You were one of the people who had the first idea. Tell us how that came about. So how did you guys start with the idea of the Gabay? You came to National Theatre Wales, is that right?
Okay, how it came about was a couple of us started to write together. And then we decided to come out of the closet and say to each other, hello, let's get together and write something. So we heard about the Call Exchange and National Theatre of Wales coming down to the Call Exchange. Now, we've never been into theatre, really. So we thought, all right, why not give it a go? Because Yusuf said, give it a go. So we went to it and we were surprised. They blew us out of this world. We thought, you know what? We could do something like this. Let's take it a further step and speak to the National Theatre of Wales and then see if we could get our script in. They invited us to the office, open arms, beautiful, and we appreciated them. So they put us into the Gulbolkian and we won the award out of the 64 groups. Yeah, I'm celebrating till today.
Brilliant. And what's the show about for you? What stories does it tell, that kind of thing?
Okay, the story is about journeys. It's about journey of the mind. It's about journey of the words. It's about journeys that take you from here to there and in between, how journeys get lost. So it's from a third world country to a first world country and all the unheard stories that go in between and the standards that us as children gotta go through. So it's kind of like in between us. We've got one foot in the door and one foot outside.